Looking at your home, the first thing buyers see is the curb appeal of your home. I'm going to give you 3 inexpensive projects you can do for yourself that will add value to your curb appeal. The first one, plant trees and flowers to add to the curb appeal. They can be big or small. Over time, they'll grow and mature to make your curb appeal very beautiful. When selecting flowers to plant, choose vibrant and happy colors that will stand out. The second tip is to paint the exterior of your home to give that outside a facelift. Paint is one of the top home improvement projects you can do to make your home quickly change, and it can be low cost. The third tip that we recommend is to replace that worn out front door and light fixtures. Often front doors are banged up, have cobwebs on them, they just don't put off that appealing look. So you might be able to clean it up or paint it, but if you can't, then you need to buy a new door. They are very affordable and instantly give home a facelift. We want to make a great first impression when a buyer drives up to your home. That way they are excited to walk inside. These few tips will help drastically with that. Remember, we want to set you up for selling success. If you would like more tips, follow my page and subscribe to my channel. Have a great home selling and buying day.